Huh?
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah, you don't like? Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel, and this is your host Joey, and I'm with Akshan.
Hi!
So we are here at Aventura, here at Dubai Parks, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so for today, I am with the company. For sure, I'll have fun here, and we'll start with team building.
Yes, team building. After that, we're gonna go on the zip line.
Because we are Cabrals here in the UAE. So this is how it looks like, guys. So more of zip line, more of obstacle course, as what Akshan mentioned. And yes, so it's more of nature that we will find here. So if you guys have not visited, sorry,
it's a national park.
It's a national park. Okay. Yeah.
This is the national tree of UAE.
Okay, what do you call this?
Gulf tree.
Gulf tree. Yes. So if you guys have not visited this place, Aventura, here at Dubai Parks, please do visit. I think because UAE is more of sand, it's going to be first time to be connected with nature. Ito po mga kabayan mafia, guys. Ang gaganda. Say hi to my vlog. With my yeah, so welcome back to our channel. Ito pala yung pinakamaganda, pinaka-sexy. Ito yung sumunod. Never mind siya kasi galing pa ako ng work. But then, I'm sure there will be fun times here at Aventura. And yes, so nagdi-distribute pa sila ng mga, ano ba to, yung mga colors, yung mga bandana para dun sa identification ng team. Tapos random siyang binibigay. So guys, ito yung bandana. This is the example. So guys, hintayin natin kung ano yung kulay. So ito yung color ko. Yes! So sino ang aking? Yes! Ito na nabili ba? Naka-burger! Yes! Woo! Give it up for Cabrals! So this is Abbas. Abbas is I'm vlogging.
Is that live? Live?
No. So guys, this is Rama. She's part of the marketing team. She's one of the organizers. Meet her. So yes, I hope I'll be able to edit. Yalla, so Mission Impossible is right here. And over there are my colleagues. Say hi to the vlog. This is it, guys. Are you ready? Whee! Talaga to. We will wait.
Joseph, huwag ka lang kasi naiihila ako.
Uy, ganda niya sa video.
Talaga ba?
Pero hindi ko i-edit to. Purple! 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 Uy! Uy!
It will be 5, 10, 15, 20. If you ring the bell, that will be 25 points. Okay? Okay. From purple, I need 3 people in purple.
Honey, yan. Diyan. Itong dalawang to
Mahina yung kamay ko.
Sama-sama tayo. Ah, isang daming gamit nito ni John. Honey. Oh, may pa-bake taga-bit-bit lang tayo. Ito pala news. Oh, ito mga news. So, manunood lang kami. Yes! Get out! Sulaiman! Sulaiman! Honey! John! Guys, kita nyo naman. Alampay pa lang ginagalang na nila ako. Tsura pa lang ng shawl ko. Ano ka ba? May mga... Ano? Hindi bababa? Bali, ito pala may yellow. Mag-cheer ka! Hoy! Wow! Di ka magpasa. Ayan, nagsan niya. Guys, number 1 si Sheila. Kasi si Sheila talaga, pasuot pa lang na natin. Ay, sit down. Discipline. Moral support. So, nanalo kami. Guys, ganun daw yun. Kahit, diba, tama? Sabi nila, hindi porke nanalo tayo.
My team.
Yes.
And be careful to have minus points.
Okay. Ganun daw yun. Hindi porke nanalo na, yung points pwedeng ganun na kataas agad. Kasi kapag walang disiplina, kapag hindi nakinig, matigas ang ulo, ganun, pwede kang bawasan. Kaya kung nanonood ka ngayon at matigas ang ulo mo, magbago ka na. Nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Ikaw nga. So guys, listen up. Because earlier, we've been warned. Nagsasalita ang host. Nagsasalita ang host si Sheila. So we've been warned. Hindi dahil nanalo kami and we earned 25 points, that doesn't necessarily mean that we will win. We can even have lesser points if we are not winning. Yan naman. Where's the PO? So don't close it in the system, okay? Yala, Sulaiman for the win! Yes, it was the last tiring activity we did. And this lady, I don't know, she's like treating us. Yes, like a dog, a camel of her own. And anyway, it was fun.
Very fun.
Refreshing, I think.
And my kilikili is fun.
Ew. So her kilikili. Badul. Huh? So guys, may pa-snacks. Okay, yung snacks, may pa-tubig, may chocolate. Yes. So we have...
Hi guys! Follow this guy.
Yes.
He's very nice.
Greet him.
Joseph is the best.
Greet him. His name is Faisal. Greet him a happy birthday because 2 days ago he celebrated
Thank you.
his birthday. Okay. So ito yung handa niya, ha? Ito yung handa niya. So guys, napagod ang team. She says, yeah, we're told, so she's Ezra. She's a pharmacist, but she works in the store, Masapa store. So we have here a beautiful Indian lady.
Chaitra?
Chaitra. She's from the store as well in Masapa.
Yeah.
Ay, wow! Pero purple pa din kami for the week. Purple. So, sure yan. Alam mo na. Guys, ito si Nems. Nems is part of, he's the head of marketing.
Where are you?
What will I am? Si Nems. Thanks for organizing. So, kabayan.
Say goodbye. Thank you so much.
Yes.
But we will.
Yeah, I know. So, gabi na.
From where? We are from
Kenya.
La.
Kenya? Uganda. Cameroon.
Aywa.
Aywa, Cameroon. So guys, ang ganda dito paggabi. Wala ka masyado sa vlog.
Hi guys, enjoy! Mr. Joseph is here at Aventura Park, Dubai.
Yay! Ika muna! Ganda dito guys. Pero kung pupunta kayo, make sure very comfortable yung mga pampaan nyo. Kasi papasukin din naman ng buhangin. Guys, kita nyo ba? Fresh na fresh akong dumating. But ginaha... Pero bakit nagkagano? Habibi. Muayad is here. By the way, trivia, fun fact. Muayad, he came like a week before me.
Yes.
You know the reason why I know?
No, I don't know why. What's the reason?
Hey. So I got to know. I said, who's this Muayad? So I called. Oh guys,
Hi.
si Madam Emily.
You're
Madam
vlogging?
Guys, si Madam Emily, siya ang may hawak ng kaba ng pera. Full loose. Full loose nga.
Give us to lose.
Edit out. Ito pala si Mami. Pinaka-sexy.
Kaya pinaka-sexy po. Pinakamamahalin mo.
Pinakamamahalin na babae. Huwag niyo siyang lalapit. Kasi pag nilapitan niyo siya, magiging lamok kayo. Dahil instead na kayo ang kakagat, siya ang kakagat.
Please.
Okay. Nag-hike kami. We're hiking also. But on a serious note, it's my first time to be connected with the nature. Yes, say hello to Mr. Davis. Siya po yung nagko-compute ng pera. So kung gusto nyo po magpa-compute ng pera, tawagan nyo lang. Kung madami kayong pera.
Ito naman po yung pinakamayaman sa amin.
Eh! Oh. So, ito na nga si Kuya. Ano pangalan mo, Kuya? DJ po. Sir DJ. DJ? Mr. DJ! So, ito si John. So, mapapalaban tayo for zipline. So, our HR manager is going to enjoy. It's once in a lifetime. You're going to do also, is that? You're going to do it also.
Okay? No smoking, please. If you want to smoke, you are not allowed to smoke. Oh no! If you want to
Are you ready?
Ready!
Now it's going to be the actual. I don't know if I'm going to do that. Oh no! The spider web. Patawa kong ganun eh. Baka maluglog oh. Oh no! Saan daw hawak?
Diyan sa gitna. Dito.
Ito?
Karen!
Tara!
Hindi pa.
Hindi ba? Sabay?
Kasi lang.
Tayo dyan. Okay, dyan muna kayo. Kayo magulo dyan. Hoy! Hindi ka humawak! Hindi mo inano yung paa mo? Hindi ko alam ang ginagawa ko, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ang ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Pinapahirapan ko. Tingnan nyo. So guys, ito ang pagpapahirap talaga. Penitensya ito. Hanggang po ang simpas ko. Last night. Kasi hindi siya madali. Akala ko madali. Okay, so this should be fun. Kasi mababa lang naman siya. May mas mataas. Let's sit na ito. So let's go. So iba na naman ang eksena natin dito. So we have to remove this. Then go back yung magnet. Then 2. And then so yung ibang mga kasama ko nandun. Oil ako natapos ko to doon. Yes, so pat on the back. Congratulations. Yes, so bababa. So there you go. So I think I will end this vlog already kasi magpapalit naman ako. To be honest, pinagpawisan ako. That's a good sweat. And magpapalit ako dahil magda-dinner na kami. By the way, this is sponsored by our company. And it's yearly. This is my second year. And I'm very happy that I'm given the privilege to be here. So it's an honor. There's always lessons about not just work, about some personal reflection while I was doing it alone. I felt I was able to focus and get to know myself better. So then, yes, thank you so much for watching. Till next vlog, bye! Mali pala ako. Oh no! Magsisipline pala. Kala ko bababa ako dito. So this is the last zipline. See you in our next video. Kaskas yung product. Oh no! Hit the subscriber. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.